So you are tuned into the Music and Culture Podcast with me, Mandla Gingirikani. Thank you very much for joining us this side. We really, really appreciate the time. If you're new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe, you share, you like, whatever you can do, whatever makes sense for you, just do it. Just do it. So it looks like there's some videos that are floating on the internet. So Jub Jub is crying out loud. He's complaining about fake accounts that are there on Facebook that are connecting him to the Shebeshxt accident. He's addressing the issue on his Instagram, talking about that he has nothing to do with the accident. I don't know why he's talking about this now, but you know what? Let's listen in.
Hi, what's up? Kimulemo. A lot of you know me as Jub Jub. It has come to my attention through my team that there's a lot of Facebook accounts that have been opened. Now, my Instagram handle is @official_Jub Jub, which is the same for TikTok. And for Facebook, it's Monemo Jub Jub Marohanye. The wall banner is Katsok Sebenza, and I'm dressed in a white jacket. I think there's about 1,000-something followers there, and that's it. There's a lot of scamming that's going around talking about DCS this, Forex this, or to make money this, and whatnot, and all of that. Now, it has reached now to a point where it's crossing the boundary where they're speaking about Shebesht's accident. I really have got nothing to do with that. I've said nothing about it. I've got no opinion. I don't know the boy. I've never met the boy. And nobody should also have an opinion too. Please, let's let him and his family grieve in peace, and let's respect each other's privacy. Not only myself have been an attack, but our numerous fellow mates as well. Their faces, their brands have been tarnished, and they're also using them as well as fake accounts. Please, can you help us? Let this video do the rounds. Please, can you help us get to the bottom of this? And please, can you also protect us as Lorna? We are people, protect us from scammers as well, and people trying to make a quick buck using our faces and our images. Please, we've tried to put notices out and whatnot to say that our images are prohibited.
Oh, okay. So that's all. It looks like that's all he had to say about this incident of people talking about him on Facebook. I have never seen this post that he's talking about. I don't know if you guys have seen anything, but I wanted to check if there's anyone talking about Jub Jub on the socials and what are they saying, or if there's any fake accounts that are there on Facebook. You know what? Let's go there and check. Okay, so I found two accounts. There's one here. Says Jub Jub. It has 1.5 million followers. It looks genuine. Yeah, there is an account actually. This one does address the Shebesht accident. Yeah, and he says he has nothing to say about it, so it means this is a fake account. Yeah, I think he has a point. I mean, he has a point. He has a point. As much as I think that he has a point, that his name is being used without his permission to spread messages that he has nothing to do with. He has a right to come out and defend himself, but I'm not sure if this is the right time to be sending out these messages. We all know about the issues of profiles on Facebook that are fake, or fake profiles on Facebook. We all know about them, but at the same time, the way or the timing that he used to address this issue, it appears like he's actually trying to promote his latest single. It appears like that, unfortunately. We have to say it does appear like he's taking the moment to come and promote his song during this time when someone else is grieving, when someone else is still in hospital. But we're not going to go deep into that. Well, we can only predict one thing, that he has a song that is out. So, you know how it works in the music industry. People can, market themselves differently. I do believe that this is a marketing strategy, because there's a song that just dropped, but we all know these marketing gimmicks are there in the music industry. So we're gonna check it out, because I think this is what Jub Jub wanted. The whole point of that video was for us to come and listen to this song. Okay, the whole point is to highlight the fact that Jub Jub is actually making a valid point to warn people about people who are spreading fake news about him. But at the same time, is it the right time for him to come and address this issue now? You can comment down below, you can like, you can share. You can do whatever. You can subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much, guys, for joining us this side. We really appreciate your time. See you again in the next upload. Legere mina. Salute. Mga titimel.